Hello everyone, today we are going to make this type of bracelet. This bracelet fits according to your hand. You can adjust it also. So to make this bracelet, first we will need a cord. First take both the ends together. And now come to this side where it is closed. Now take the measurement of your wrist and then so now I will take the yellow one on the right, on the left side to the right, and take the other one above it. Then I will go beneath both of them and through this hole. And this way we are done. So the next one is from the right to the left. So I will take the right one to the left side and the left cord beneath them and through that right hole. Then I will tighten it. Then again the left one, then this one should be over the one which comes to its side, and then through the other one. So this way you have to continue till here and leave some gap. So now I am done with it. So I will take both of them, both the cords that are at the ending, through this hole, and now I will make a big hole at the starting and take one cord through it, then the other from the other one. You can use any pointed object to make the hole. Then I will tie it up. And now I will cut this off. And it's done. And then so my bracelet is ready. This way you can also make your bracelets at home. Thanks for watching.